Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Easy Bite Cooking. My today's curry recipe is aloo, matar and gajer, potato, peas and carrots. So I go quantity, I go 2 cup, the tea or coffee cup, normal household cup, 2 cup of carrots, 2 cup of peas, and I go 3 medium size of potatoes. I'm using frozen ones. You can use fresh if you like, but frozen one is a bit cheaper and quicker to do it. So I'll tell you step by step my today's recipe. Let's start my recipe. I'm going to start saute mode. Just over half cup of sunflower oil. You can use butter, ghee, or vegetable oil, whatever is available, whatever you feel like. Of crispy fried onions. That will save you at least 20 minutes of your cooking time. They're ready to use. They're already cooked and fried. They're ready to use. Give them a stir. A couple of small stick of cinnamons, or 6-7 of cloves, one black cardamom, double teaspoon of whole jeera, half teaspoon of ajwain seeds, a pinch of nigella seeds, 1 level teaspoon of turmeric, 1 level teaspoon of black pepper. Is not a powder, is crushed. Go 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder, 2 teaspoon of salt. You can check it before you save, but don't add more than 2 teaspoon in the beginning of the salt. About just half a teaspoon of the whole dried coriander. Give them a good stir. You gotta do quickly because the onion's already cooked and the oil is boiling hot, and you don't want to burn your spices and the onions. You need 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger, green chilies. Just break them in half. Don't need to chop them. Just break them in half. Give them a good stir. Now I'm going to add a little bit hot water. Use the kettle hot water. It don't stop the rhythm of the bubble, right? It will stop the process, the burning the chili and onions. I'm going to use 5 tablespoons of chopped tomatoes. You can use fresh one as well. If you want to use fresh one, use three tomatoes. I'm going to use the chopped one from the tin. They make a nice sauce and cheaper as well. Yep, 5 tablespoons. After the tomato, give them good stir and let it cook the sauce for a few minutes. While we're cooking the sauce, I got 3 potatoes. I'm going to chop them in 4, make them 4 pieces. You can do smaller than that if you want, but the 4 is nice. You can use more potatoes if you like. Is not a limit. You can use 5, 4. I'm going to chop them, cut them in 4 pieces. 20 minutes of making a sauce. Sauce is ready. I'm going to start saute again. First of all, I'm going to add the potatoes, the aloo. Just give them a couple of minutes before I add other vegetable in there. Just a couple of minutes to make sure they just warm up. I said 2 minutes, but I took about 5 minutes, so I want to make sure they're properly boiled. So I'm going to add the carrots first and the peas. Now stir it. I'm going to use tiny hot water. Is a hot kettle water. I always use a hot water from the kettle, not from the tap. I'm not going to add too much water because vegetable got too much water already. We already used tiny water before. Just need a tiny bit more. I'm going to give a good stir, and I'm going to wait until they start bubbling. It maybe take 3 minutes or 5 minutes. Start bubbling now. So I'm going to give a good stir, and we're going to put a lid on. I'm going to use a pressure cooker on. I'm going to wait till that silver thing comes out. It take about few minutes, few seconds, sometimes few minutes. But but do not do on a saute more than 3 minutes. If the silver tin didn't come out within 3 minutes, just cancel it and then put in a different mode, cooking mode. I'll wait till this comes out first. 3 minutes, the silver tin didn't come out. So what I'm going to do, I cancel the saute. I'm going to use the vegetable mode. Put vegetable, start, and you only take about 5 minutes, and the curry will be ready. See you guys after 5 minutes. Guys, it's 5 minutes, so I'm going to cancel the cooking system, and I'm going to open this. Make sure that silver dot going down, and it's release the pressure. It's no gas in there. So what you have to do, open them carefully. Make sure don't touch the silver part, just the black part. Open it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wow, mashallah, good recipe. I'm going to start the saute again. So mashallah, curry is ready. All I need, just blend in, just need a few more minutes. Once it start bubbling, from the bubbling, you need a depend if your aloo is cooked, then you need as aloo is cooked. Maybe after start bubbling, maybe I need a 3-4 minutes. So guys, it took me 5 minutes to mix everything very well. So it's mashallah, my beautiful vegetable curry ready. Is ideal for vegans as well. Is nothing meat, no yogurt, no milk, nothing been used. So the vegan audience can use this recipe as well. Is mashallah beautiful aloo Matar and Gajer recipe ready. Is called potatoes, peas, and carrots ready. You can adjust your spices. If you like more hot, you can add more spices in there, or if you like a little bit mild, you can use less spices if you want. But my this recipe is a medium hot. It's not too spicy, not too mild, just enough to eat. But you can do more or less. And make sure you do check the salt before you serve in a plate. And this is very economical and cheap recipe. It's not very expensive, and it cook within like about 40-50 minutes, something like that. So try my recipe, share it with your friends and families. If you have anything to say, leave a comments, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you. I will see you on my next upload video very soon. And cook and enjoy. See you next video, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.